You welcome back to another video. On this one, we're gonna get into putting everything that y'all see me paint on the last video back together. Um, which is the front bumper for the Infinity headlights. We're gonna add the lip to it and then the front splitter. So this is how it turned out. You can't really tell. You're losing a little bit of daylight. The garage is not that bright. But compared to what it was before, I think it came out pretty good. That's the front lip right there. We got to paint that also. The headlight, that's how it turned out. Now it's all dry. I brought the spoiler inside. Gotta add the carbon trim that goes there on. But yeah, so we're gonna put all the inserts, like we're gonna put the grill back, the upper and lower, put the new fog lights and everything, just prep it, get it ready. If we get a chance, we'll throw it in the Infinity over here. If not, then just see how far we get. But let's get to it. Alright, so fog lights are in. Grill and everything is back in there. Looks pretty decent. Now we're gonna get the lip on and then go into the boxes. We're gonna get the front splitter out and put that together, so hang in there. So finally got the front bumper all done. Got the front splitter on there, fog lights, grill. So now we're gonna put the headlights on the car and then throw the bumper on. As long as we don't lose sunlight, but that's what it's looking like right now, and it's not so bad. And before we put the headlights on, I changed up the regular orange bulb for the running light and blinker to, I believe this is blue LEDs for the little one, and then this one is switchbacks, so it'll run white, but then when you put a blinker on, it'll flash orange, and then back to white when you're done. So I'll throw those on before we put the headlight on. So I just got the bumper on there. It's not bolted all the way yet, but it is almost secured in place, and this is how it turned out. Finished bolting it up off camera, but this is just the beginning of everything we got installed on it. But as you can see, all the stuff I showed y'all that was originally on the bumper, all the cracked and faded paint that was all over, that's all gone. So to me, it looks a lot better, and the hood is obviously popped open. That's why you see that big gap right there. But yeah, I think the car looks like 100% better than what it did compared to what it was before. And it kind of matches good with the rest of the car. So All right, so we're gonna call this one a day, and I'll catch you on the next one. We got more stuff to put on this. See y'all next time.